Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone is not receiving email, then how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here at the top on the control center, try turning on the airplane mode. It is going to just give you a refresh for your connection. So what you need to do is after a little bit of time, you can just turn this off. Hardly, like I said, you can keep this airplane mode for like 10 seconds or something, then turn it off. Then try opening your email app over here, then check whether you are able to receive the emails or not. Still, if you're getting this kind of an issue, then what you need to do is you just need to go back, and the email app might be running in the background. You have to close it and try launching it once again. Then you have to do like this, so it's kind of giving you a kind of a refresh over there. Then you have to check with it. Still, if there is an issue, then what we need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the apps. Now from here you can scroll it down like this, or you can just go over here at the bottom, use the search over here. You have to type here for mail app. You have to type here like this, tap on the mail app. Now from here you have to tap on mail accounts. Now from here you have to tap on fetch new data. And as you can see, make sure the push is turned on. That is one of the reasons for most of this is not receiving. For some reason, this might have accidentally turned it off. After turning on the push over here, you have to tap on this. Then make sure that you set this over here to the fetch. You have to make this to the fetch, and you just need to go back. Make sure both these two things should be on the fetch. And now from here, as you can see over here, we have set this to manually. So with the manually, what happens is it will be getting refreshed when you check it out. So you can keep this on automatically over here like this. So every single time when you receive any kind of mails, it will keep on refreshing over there. Then most probably that's going to help. If you go back right now over here, when you try to do like this, you'll be getting all the pop-ups from there, and mails will be all kind of mails will be keep on adding up here when you set this up on automatically. And if you feel like it's hindering, you can keep this on manually if you want it. But what I'm saying is it's a good practice that you keep this on automatic over here. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix the mail is not receiving on your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.